Here's another fan added to my collection right here. This is a 90s 12-inch Canarm oscillating table fan with a switch on the back. I got this during a visit in Canada when I was visiting family over there. It was a local find not far from the house I stayed at, which is my grandparents' house. And this fan here I cleaned up all of the motor. And this is a really rare fan because I don't see many of these Canarm oscillating fans. I see more of the super fans over there. And someday I'm hoping to get a super from my collection. But here's another Canadian fan added to my collection. Right there is what the switch looks like. It's different from the super fans, as you can see. So I'm gonna turn it on right now and show the rest of it. Here's a close-up of the back here. There's the sticker. This fan looks like it was made in 1994 and 93, based off this. Model D12. So there are the vents underneath the motor. I was able to take it off part for cleaning, but I couldn't get this cover completely off because of the wiring for the knob, but I was able to oil it still. Yeah, it's in great shape except some yellowing here for the plastic. This got a little bit yellowed. This is more yellowed here, the switch for the oscillator. Let's start up here. And there you go, a video of my 12-inch Canarm oscillating table fan.